Welcome back to part 5, the final part of our build series for the Catio. We'll finish off the transition for the window well and let the cats explore a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to build the ramp for the kitties. We're going to put this hinge on here to make it easy to get in the window well. And then on the front, or the top of it, we'll put some cleats to help from when they're sliding, especially going down. Okay, so for the cleats, let's see here. Alright, so once this is together, you gotta fill this void here. So we're gonna put a piece like that. Come over about there. Should work just fine. Let's see. Alright, so we got this. Yep. It'll be fine, just like that. That size 30. Alright, let's start with this. This will be fun. Alright, so I'm not going to screw them on here. Do is set it up. Get the holes lined up. Alright. Gonna have to actually take that off. Perfect. All right, so after getting that corner piece in, we're going to create the frame for the opening that we're going to cut in there so they can get into the Catio. We're going to do some pocket screws to attach the cross beams. Okay, so now I'm going to secure the screening before I cut it a little better against the cross braces I just put in. And then we'll cut out the opening. So measuring this is going to be about 18 to 19 inches, so we're just going to cut this through. Perfect.
It's okay. Yeah, they need something soft. Hey, Max.